Who do you think I am? A beggar? A dropout? A stranger who doesn't belong? The truth is, you don't know me. Not yet. But that didn't stop your minds from thinking about it, did it? Now, we live in a world that loves simple stories. That loves simple stories. The poor one, the rich one. The troublemaker, the smart one. The country that is poor or the country that is rich. But the truth is, we cannot judge a book by its cover, or we cannot explain anyone, any place, any culture in just one sentence. The thing is, us people reduce humans into one line, one single label. We reduce people in one line, but behind every single label, there is a full story. I am Binay. That doesn't change anything from me. And think about that one lazy labeled kid from school. If you think about him, he never does his studies. When you think about him much, he's just lazy at school. He never really raises his hand in class. And most importantly, no one talks about why he doesn't finish his homework. No one does that. Why? But maybe he has a family to take care of. Maybe he has siblings to take care of. Maybe he has a job to help his family. Now, let's talk about a real life story, which is when the media talks about refugee. Not again, same story. Let me introduce you to Tarek. He was a refugee in Syria. But today, he is a wonderful CEO in the company of Peace by Chocolate. But nowadays, most people don't see it. Why? We don't see our own true colors because we fear that people might judge us. Let's take it even bigger, which is Serena Williams. Who is Serena Williams? 4 years of dedication. Her only story was this. The only thing they rarely talked about was her work ethic. And her injuries. The pressure she had on because she was a black woman in the industry. But nowadays, when we talk about these people, what comes to your mind? When we hear the word refugee, what comes to your mind directly? Well, that's a surprise. We do not think of people as much as we think of ourselves. Well, so after all of this, what do? We act, we listen, we read, we question people who are not like us, but most importantly, who are like us. We become curious. We become the person who you think of if you have a great future. Now, I want to end this presentation with a quote written by Rosa Line. Let this year be the year where you get answers and questions. Let this year be the year you ask better questions. Let this be the year that you make a great future for yourself, not for other people. Why do we think of other people? Because they judge us? No, that's terribly wrong. When you show your true colors, people will see you for the person who you are. And most people have not just discovered anything, but we have a future, and behind every person, there is a great future. And if you want the world to be a better place, if you want the world to be more understanding, if you want the world to be more truth, then we all have to raise our hands and help this future regain its consciousness. I have to help this future. You have to help this future. We have to help this future. And by that, I mean not just studying or anything else, but we have to see people for who they truly are. Thank you.
فام همیشه پیشنگرد